all of the previous sa ad mo makita mo dito. Ito sa news feed, ito sa stories, ito sa news feed, sa Facebook Marketplace, ito yung makita nila, sa Reels, yan, inbox, ito yung inbox na sa Messenger. That's why I included the Messenger para makita din siya. And Messenger stories and marami pa. Hello guys, welcome back sa video natin. Today, we are here sa ating ad account. Ngayon, gagawa tayo ng ads using sa existing post. As you can see here, nandito ako ngayon sa aking Facebook page. I'm an admin to this Facebook page. Ito yung page ng The Feast Digo. So, ang plano namin, we're gonna make an ad from this post. So, instead of doing the regular boost post, ito kasi yung nakasanayan natin, yung boost post natin, which is okay naman yan siya, pero there are things na pwede nyo rin gamitin using your ad account. So, this is the post we're gonna be using. All we have to do is go here sa ating existing na ad account. As you can see, ito yung ad account ko ngayon. Right? So, ito yung performance kahapon, December 4. So, ngayon, all we have to do is punta ako ngayon dito sa create. Ito kaya mag-create ng ad account. And the good news about that, guys, is that tayong lahat is that meron tayong sariling ads manager. All you have to do is go to your news feed, tapos punta kayo dito sa see more, tapos ads manager. Punta kayo dyan, and then pag maklik nyo yan, automatic na po, ito yung makita nyo. So, all you have to do is kailangan nyo lang i-create to, click nyo lang create, and makita nyo to kung ano yung goal nyo, marketing objectives. So, in this case, I'll just go with engagement, kasi yun yung goal ko, magkaroon na siya ng maraming engagement, like, comments, and shares. So, once maklik ko na yung engagement, click ko lang yung continue, boom. So, always punta kayo dito sa manual, wag kayo dito sa messages campaign, punta tayo dito sa manual since marunong tayo gumawa ng manual. Click natin yan, click natin yung continue, then wait for it to load, and then nandito na. So, next is, all you have to do is, next mo lang to, huwag mo na siyang i-click dyan, click mo na yung next. Dito, you're gonna select anong page na gusto nyo. So, in this case, itong page ko, The Feast, yan, The Feast Digos. So, may isang The Feast Digos dyan. So, ito yung pipiliin ko na page. Boom. And then, yun. Mas-change na yun sa The Feast Digos. Then, go back here. And then, dito, you're gonna select maximize number of conversation, maximize number of link clicks. Depende sa goal nyo. So, okay na ako dito sa maximize number of conversation. Yan. And then, from here, pwede ko na siya iset na for today's date. Okay? And then dito, pwede ko na siyang i-set yung budget. Ang budget dito, pwede ka kasi mag-budget ng pinakababa dito is nasa mga at least $1 or 57 or 58, depende. So in this case, ang gagawin ko na lang is 60 pesos. I'm gonna be spending 60 pesos per day sa ads na to. Okay? That's okay. Mas baba ka lang, and then of course, since dito lang sa Digos yung targeting namin, hindi mo na kailangan pa i-click yung Philippines, so I need to edit the location. So ito yung location niya, click lang yung edit niyan, and then punta lang ako dito, i-type ko lang dito Digos City, example, Digos, yan. So type ko yan Digos, so Digos City, Davao del Sur region, boom. Pag i-click ko yan, the whole Digos City na ang makater niya. You can also adjust the radius. So, from 25-mile radius, pwede mo siyang ma-adjust to something like 30, 40. In this case, we're gonna make it 30 para mas wide yung scope niya. Change ko lang yan. And then, dito, ma-change din yung audience size niya. So, estimated reach niya nasa mga 1,000 to 3,000 estimated reach. Hindi pa available yung kanyang audience definition. And that is okay. But dito, you can do things, no? Either you're going to make it na parang tinatawag natin na yung you let AI do the work, itong advantage plus audiences, or you are going to switch to the original audience option. So I would normally do i-change ko itong switch to original audience option and then use original audience option para mas easier for me na ma-target yung mga sino ba yung gusto ko talaga i-target. Kasi dito you can change the date, you can change the age, the gender, and yung interest nila. So in this case, pwede kong i-type dito mga different na mga interest ni Facebook. Kasi for example, wala kasing religious dito. Pwede ko i-type dito Chinkitan. Yan. So probably sino ba yung nag-like or nag-follow ka Chinkitan, pwede ko silang ma-target. I can add maybe at least 4 to 5 suggestions dito. So, pwede kong i-type ito business, yan, or Robert Kiyosaki, online shopping, retail, yan. So, yan, engage shoppers, or Robert Kiyosaki. Kasi yung basta mga author. Hindi na kasi pwede i-type dito si Bo Sanchez kasi like 2 years ago parang nag-change yung ano niya sa Facebook. Wala nang Bo Sanchez. Pero dati meron dyan Bo Sanchez dati. Ngayon wala na. Type ko lang ha. Oh, yan. So wala siya. So just in case ito na yung nagustuhan ko, ilagay ko dito inspiration. Yan, inspirational quotes, website deal inspiration, tips and inspiration. Sige, type natin yung deal inspiration. So meron siyang at least inspirational quotes, meron siyang mga 8 million audience size estimated. So type natin yan, and then once you're done with that, pwede mo na siya i-click. And by the way, pwede mo change yung placement. If you want na makita yung, pwede mo change to manual. Ang manual placement kasi dito mo makita kung you're gonna advertise using Instagram or sa Facebook lang. So I would normally choose sa Facebook lang kasi Facebook lang ako mag-advertise. So i-uncheck ko lang yung Instagram and tsaka yung Messenger. Okay na yung tatlo. Okay, or here, Audience Network, pwede ko siya yan. So i-check. Yan, so dalawa lang, Facebook and Messenger. So once I'm happy with this, click ko lang yung next and then proceed na tayo dun sa pag-create ng ad. So in this part here, napakasimple na lang. Kasi the usual is you're going to create an ad. You're gonna create the ad from the ground up. Ikaw mag-add ng caption, ikaw mag-add ng picture, mag-add ng everything. So dito, since existing post na nga siya, 'di ba? Existing post na nga siya dito, 'di ba? Ito yung existing post niya. So napakadali lang. All we have to do is punta tayo dito sa taas and then dito sa create ad, all we have to do is use existing post. Yan, i-click natin na use existing post. Pag-click natin yan, dyan, so it will ask kung ano ba yung post. Kung you have i-post mo or i-add mo. You have the option na pwede ka mag-enter ng post ID, but that's gonna be another video. So select post ka na lang. Okay, select post, and then what will happen is makita mo yung mga existing post mo sa Facebook page mo, which is nandito makita natin. Ito pala yung post ID, guys, if you're wondering what's the post ID. Yan ang post ID na yun. Basically, you can copy this post ID and just paste it there. And probably some of the freelancers din, nilagay nila yung mga post ID dun sa spreadsheet para it's easier for them to look for the post ID para every time they run an ad, it's easier for them to do so. So, yan. Yan, and then hanapin ko lang yun. Nakita ko na. So this is the video that we're gonna be posting, guys. So instead of doing or using the regular boost post, ito na yung gagawin natin. And the good thing about running an ad using dun sa ads manager talaga is that marami kang angles or marami kang options na pwede mong magawa dun sa, depende sa strategy mo, no? Sa strategy na gagawin mo. So yan, click ko lang to, and then once I click here, click ko lang to, wait lang, click one more time, and then i-click mo tong continue. Pag maklik mo yan, make sure that it is the post that you want to boost or to add. Yan, click mo lang continue, and then there you go. So may mga changes, may mga error dito. Send message or send WhatsApp to call to action button is required. So dito kasi meron na siya ganyan, so ma-change na siya to something like this. So basically, masasend yan sa message. Once I'm happy with this, you can actually change this one sa question, can I learn more about your business? Can you tell me about your ad? So, ito yung parang automated, chatbot automation niya. So, if you wanna change this, you can click here. Pero kung di mo na siya kailangan i-change, wala ka na problema gawin dyan. So, dito, no? Ito na yung ads mo. Dito na yung maging preview niya. It has a lot of previews actually. I-click mo yan. All of the previews sa ad mo makita mo dito from the Fish Digos. Ito sa news feed. Ito sa stories, ito sa newsfeed, sa Facebook Marketplace, ito yung makikita nila, sa Reels, yan, inbox, ito yung inbox na sa Messenger, that's why I included the Messenger para makita din siya, and Messenger stories, and marami pa. If I added the Instagram, meron din siya Instagram na makita. And the good thing about using sa Facebook alone is that yung spend mo talaga na, example, if you're spending 60 pesos, mas spend talaga siya doon sa ads mo. Hindi siya, sa Facebook, hindi niya kailangan pumunta doon sa Instagram. Right? Kasi nga, we're only targeting Facebook lang. No? So, these are all the tawag ito, the mga preview niya, mga placement and everything. So, yeah, it's very useful. If you're happy with this already, all you have to do is click mo lang yung save. Right? Click mo lang yung save, and then click mo lang yung publish. Okay? Once you're happy, boom, loading na yan siya. It will load up. Wait for it to load. Yan. So, ito na yung ads mo, and then there you go. So, multiple items published. Yan, and then we're going to go back here. So, processing na yan siya. So, basically, after ma-approve na siya, after a few minutes, your ads ay makita na doon sa ating newsfeed. So, yeah. If you're happy with this video, please follow and give it a like or heart. Thank you guys, and see you sa next video. God bless. Let's go!